Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2021 Great Wall Steed, stock number 6966. This ran from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2021. Has a GW4D 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a GW4D 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight had some peeling. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Front bonnet. Left hand door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight has some peeling. Right front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory full-spec leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.